Here with me, I have seen actually a letter of demand that was sent by Mbuso Fuzwayo to the former service. I think that's where many got to know Advocate Thabani Mpofu, and he became popular for using the term fulcrum when he was arguing during the stolen elections of Nelson Chamisa. He is that Mbuso Fuzwayo has actually sent him a letter of demand. In simple terms, Mbuso Fuzwayo is suing him for some tweet that he shared on X a few days ago. That it must be on the 28th of January. Yes, I came through what he shared on the 28th of January. It seems that he has put him in trouble, and a letter of demand has been sent to him to retract that statement. It remains to be seen whether he will retract the statement. Greetings and welcome to your lovely channel, the Hloniphani Global News. If you're watching us for the very first time, please do remember to press the red or black subscribe button so that next time when we beam live, you become the very first one to watch us. For those who are not aware of what is happening, Mbuso Fuzwayo, including also several individuals in Zimbabwe, about 3 of them, they decided to prematurely take the 2030 term extension application to the Constitutional Court, and that case would be heard on the 9th of February. 9th of February, today is the 6th. We are a few days to that particular case. So a lot of people have been questioning Mbuso Fuzwayo as well as other individuals who are actually who prematurely took this case because it could be easily dismissed on technical grounds, and we understand that on Tambudzo Mnangagwa seeks to use the judgment that will be issued by a compromised judiciary system to justify his implementation of the 2030 term extension. Greetings once again and welcome to your lovely channel, the Hloniphani Global News. If you're watching us for the very first time, please do remember to press the red or black subscribe button so that next time when we beam live, you become the very first one to watch us. So, Mbuso Fuzwayo sent his letter of demand through his lawyers who are helping him with the Constitutional Court case, that is Sitole Law Chambers. And the reference, I won't read a lot of things, it was addressed to Thabani Mpofu and it's written urgent. It says, Dear Mr. Mpofu, and it was served on the 4th, it's dated 40th of February 2026. Yes, 2026, and it was served today. It has been stamped today's date to indicate the day it was served. And the reference of the letter, it says demand for retraction of defamatory statement, and they write the following: we act on behalf of Mr. Mbuso Fuzwayo, a respected civil leader and politician. With regard to your recent public statement made on 28 January 2026 via your verified X account at Advocate Fulcrum, you stated, your statement which reads, the Mbuso Fuzwayo application is set down for 9th February 2026, yet the uncomfortable questions we must ask refuse to go away. The lawyers say they have been paid. Fuzwayo say he has not paid them because he does not even have $10 in his pocket, and that he has not been paid to prosecute the application. We remain where we were with many unanswered questions. Perhaps ahead of the hearing, there is now one question that looms above the rest. Only one. So that is the statement that puts him in trouble. Let's hear exactly what they are saying about it. Is explicitly defamatory. It falsely and maliciously portrays Mr. Fuzwayo as a pauper and a vagabond, insinuating that he is failing to settle his bills and is financially destitute, which is entirely untrue and damaging to his reputation. So Mr. Mbuso Fuzwayo has money. If you actually say he doesn't have money, you will find yourself in trouble. They continue to say our client has never communicated about his payment arrangement with his lawyers to you or anyone else for that matter. Our client has not authorized any legal practitioner who represents him to publish details about any payment arrangements, and such matters remain privileged information between our client and his lawyers. You are a senior lawyer who is expected to know better about these matters, and our client has a good mind to report your conduct to the Law Society of Zimbabwe. Sure. We hereby demand that you immediately retract the above statement in writing and publish the retraction on your X account within 2 days of receipt of this letter, ensuring that the retraction is of the same prominence and reach as the original statement. Hey! 2. Issue an apology to our client for your defamatory statement. 3. Cease and desist from making any further defamatory statements concerning Mr. Mbuso Fuzwayo. Failure to comply with these demands within the stipulated period will compel us to initiate legal proceedings against you for defamation, including but not limited to seeking damages for defamation without further notice. We trust that you will give this matter the urgent attention it warrants and look forward to your prompt compliance. Mr. Mpofu found himself in trouble for just expressing his views regarding the matter that is of public interest that was filed by Mbuso Fuzwayo. It's something else. So it remains to be seen whether the Advocate Thabani Mpofu will actually retract the statement and issue the apology as it has been demanded by the lawyers of Mbuso Fuzwayo. It's actually quite hectic in Zimbabwe. People should be very careful about how they express themselves, especially relating to political matters that are of public importance. But if it was in a democratic country, I don't foresee that kind of a message putting the lawyer in trouble. Anyway, it's a matter that we will be following through as it unfolds. So he has 2 days to do so. We'll be watching whether the advocate will do exactly. Thank you very much for watching us. If you are watching us for the very first time, please do remember to press the red or black subscribe button so that next time when we beam live, you become the very first one to watch us. Mbuso Thabani is signing out. Let me light of the live broadcast as I give